welcome back. I have to go and get an ID picture taken, so I obviously am going to do my makeup for that. I figured I'll film it and just show you how I like to do my makeup before getting any type of ID photo. I did already prep my skin a little bit ago. I used the Bobbi Brown Vitamin C face base, and I also used some of the Vita Liberata beauty blur, which just gives my skin a bit of a tint. So I'm going straight in with my foundation. This is the Easy Blur by Huda Beauty. I mean, I know not everybody cares about how they look in ID photos. I do. I just like my picture just to look nice and fresh, especially if it's like for an ID that's going to be used regularly, like my driver's license. I always make an effort for that because I mean that's used all the time. I'm just gonna do what I usually do and figured I'll make a video of it. I had a different video that I initially was gonna film today, which was more of a smoky look that I wanted to do, but I don't want that in an ID photo, so we'll leave that to the next one. So I figured let's just film this. Some people might find it interesting. Others don't give a shit. But either way, it will be a nice fresh makeup. I'm gonna just add a little bit of the Chanel bronzer. This is the lighter shade of the two. I haven't tried the darker one yet, but this is nice just like for a nice bronzer, just to warm up the skin. I wouldn't use it for contour, it's too warm and it's not dark enough. I'm just gonna warm up my skin a little bit. It's really nice in the summertime as well. And the size of it, I mean, it lasts forever. And then we will do the contour. Is always a must for every occasion, for me anyway. This is the NARS one. Most of my IDs are black and white, so I usually always go heavier with the contour so it comes through more. Although I think this ID is in colour, but we're still gonna go with the contour anyway. I think all of my IDs are black and white. My driver's license is black and white. My BCID, my service card, black and white. My PR card, black and white. My passport, black and white. Concealer, this is the Dior Forever one, which is literally on its last limbs. I really need to do my nails actually, just looking at that. I just had, what did I have on? Was it brown or was it nude? Oh, it was nude. I did just like a nude short gel. It didn't last very well. I obviously didn't like prep the nail beforehand. I've been wearing short nails a lot lately. I feel a little bit naked. I don't like having nothing on my nails. Powder, I really want to get navy. I've seen navy nails on Pinterest and it's so nice because it's so different. It's not your black, it's not your browns. I'm gonna have a look for a navy gel actually. That's what I will do. See if I can find a nice color. I'm just gonna do my brows like normal, just fill them in using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna like do my normal fill in. Again, if I was doing a black and white one, I would go a smidge heavier on the brow just so it shows up in the photo. Brow gel on top. You know how it goes. I usually do like to wear soft false lash when I get an ID photo. I just think it just like opens my eyes and like makes it look a little bit brighter. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to do a teeny tiny little wing, not like a bat wing liner like the last one I did, just a little elongation. So I'm going to do that with a brown liner. This is Bare Minerals twist up one. What's it called? Topaz. So right at the corner, just drag that out a little bit. Use this brush and drag it in. It's gonna make that look nice and tidy. So I didn't use any primer underneath it because it makes it harder to blend. I swear, smaller little baby wings are always so much harder because you tend to like want to go in and go more. It happens to me all the time. So refraining yourself when doing a baby wing is key. So before I go too crazy, I'm just gonna get a little flat brush with concealer, foundation, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna tidy up underneath and on top. I am gonna get a little bit of powder and I'm just gonna gently pat that on top and just over my eyelid just to set any excess oil on the lid. The patch is back. Bloody hell. I know I spoke about this in a previous video and some of you have it as well, a little patch where nothing sticks to it. Okay, mascara. I'm going to take the Exaggerize by Charlotte Tilbury. have my little corner lashes, which you know I love and use all the time. And for those who don't know, they are the Purr Lash by House of Lashes, cut in half. And then I just apply them to the corner part of my eye. My lips are so dry. Been so dry all winter. The only lip balm I have found that has not dried my lips out the more I apply. You know some lip balms that you use, I mean I feel like most of my lip balms do this. The more you put them on, the drier your lips get. It's like the more you keep needing to put it on. That's really annoying. I found that the Mario Badescu, that lip balm is really good. It's the only one that I've been using that doesn't make my lips feel drier, or it doesn't make me feel the need to constantly have to put it on. Like when I put it on, it just kind of stays and just hydrates. So if you have a lip balm that you absolutely love and it actually works, please let me know, because I feel like I've tried so many, but so many of them are just giving me the same issues. And to finish that off, I'm going to do my favourite little trick, is the matte off-white in the inner corner. I can't not do this now. It's like an addiction. I feel like it just instantly makes your eyes look better. I just got a few of these the other day, the YSL blushes. How cute is the packaging? I'm a sucker for a good package. That didn't sound right. I am a sucker for good packaging. This is the shade 57, Peach. I haven't worn peach in a while. It's been all pinks, but today I'm feeling peach and brown. Yes. And we'll add a little bit of highlight to the cheeks. This is the Patrick Ta highlight, the shade Baby. Just a little bit on the cheeks. I'm not gonna go overboard. So I mean, you're not really gonna see this, but this is just for me. Now for my lips, I'm gonna take Cool Spice by MAC. I kind of coloured most of my lip in with that. And I'm going to take a little bit of cork, just for a little definition. A little bit of Flesh Pot, because you know me. I'm going to press that in the centre. I'm just tapping it on because I only want to add a little bit. Do I want it glossy, or do I not want it glossy? Maybe a little glossy. This is by Poco Beauty. I don't think I've showed you this before, but I really like it. It's like a lip balm glossy stick. I don't actually know what they are called. I can't read that right now. Melting lip tint, I think it says. They're really glossy, but really balmy feeling on, which I really like. You know, some glosses can just be sticky. But again, I'm just tapping it because I don't want it to be full shine. So you can even see that just from tapping it. Like, look at that. It's just from tapping it. Oh, I love these so much. It goes really nice with a lot of the lip liners I wear, like Cool Spice, Wherever Walnut, Greige, the usual suspects, you know. If you know, you know, because I wear them all the time. It goes really nice with them. Some of you may say, Katie, that literally looks like the makeup that you always wear. And you are correct. But it is also the makeup I wear when I get ID photos. So, take that as you will. But it is also one of my favourite makeups to wear because I feel like it's fresh, nicely pulled together. Yeah, so that's it for today. This is my ID/passport makeup. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.